Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a super exciting video. We're gonna do another owl experiment. That is so much fun! Someone suggested that I would test how Lookie would respond to a wind-up mouse. That is so exciting! I love you guys. You guys are so smart with all of your smart video ideas. I honestly don't know why I haven't thought of this myself, because it's just super logical that you would test this out if you have an owl, duh. But okay, that's not important. Yes, I know. You want to cuddle, but first you need to do an experiment for us. Yeah, do you want to cuddle first? Yeah, we haven't cuddled yet today, have we? Just go on your perch. Yeah. Okay. I'm winding this up. This is so hard. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay guys, are you ready? Say hello to Mr. Mouse. Lookie, look! Okay, we're gonna try that a second time. I'm gonna try to make the mouse go into the right direction for filming, but... Lookie, oh my god, look! Oh, she might be looking at the dog. She might not be reacting because of the dog. I'm just gonna close the curtains so that she can't see the dog anymore. Duh, I'm so stupid. Okay, and now it's really dark, but who cares? Why it's making videos so damn hard? No, don't go flying yet, Lookie. You can only fly if the mouse is moving. Lookie, look! Okay guys, just one more time. You are so lucky that my owl is not going to kill you, because she's just too damn lazy to even try. Okay, Lookie, look at this. It's so interesting, oh my god. Lookie, look. You should see her face. The mouse just went under the sofa and she's like, where is it? Where is that thing? Yeah, where is the mouse? Yeah, that's right, it's under the sofa. Lookie, where is that mouse? Yeah, where is she? Or he? Lookie, where is the mouse? Where is it? You just had to poop on my clean floor. Lookie, where is the mouse? Okay, we'll do this one more time from another angle. Okay, I'm winding up the mouse. Alright, I'm gonna let it go. Lookie, look! Oh. Okay, so you live to see another day. I guess you were lucky. I think I'm gonna keep this guy around. He's sweet. Okay guys, I think we can all agree that Lookie was a bit curious, but that she didn't understand what was going on. I don't think she recognized this as being a mouse. And second of all, even if she would know that it was a mouse, I don't think she would have done anything either. And I kind of expected this because, like I've said in the past, red owls don't have their hunting instinct anymore. That is why a red owl can't survive in the wild anymore when it's set free or when it escapes. Yeah, but I do have to admit that Lookie just ate one-day-old chick this morning. So I should do a second experiment in which she responds to a mouse when she's really hungry. So I guess there will be a follow-up video on this one. But for now, Lookie is lazy like she always is. But super sweet though. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video. I hope you guys liked it, even though there wasn't a lot of action in it. But yeah, I'm just glad you made it through the entire video, and I will see you guys in another video. Say bye to Mr. Mouse. Bye, you live to see another day. Coochie coochie. Bye. I love you guys.